everyone! Meron na naman akong bagong naisip na ituro para sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng branding watermark sa buong video nyo sa YouTube. Itong branding watermark na to ay para siyang maliit na subscribe button para mapadali yung mga viewers or yung mga new viewers na mag-subscribe sa channel nyo. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano. Kung gusto nyong malaman, nasa tamang lugar kayo. Panoorin nyo to. Eto na.
So I am now on my channel, and you can go to your channel and just follow me or these steps along with me. You can also pause and play the video as much as you need to in order to follow the steps exactly. This is going to be really quick to get this branding watermark on your channel. So all you have to do is go to your channel and click this picture on your upper right corner, and then go to Creator Studio, or in German, YouTube Studio. So we'll click that. So now we have to go to settings here. We go to channel, and now we will go to branding. So this is where your branding watermark stays. So I already have this branding watermark on my video. So what I'm going to do is to remove this and take it off and go back to scratch and start from scratch, so I can show you exactly how. So I have actually two options for you on how to do this branding watermark. So the first option is really simple. You can just use a YouTube aesthetic or a YouTube brand watermark. All you have to do is to find this, go to subscribe button square, and just go to download and save. So now we go to Google and type subscribe button image download. We go to picture. So we will find the subscribe button square and just download and save any subscribe button image you want, but always consider the copyright. So always make sure that it's written free. So let's try this. Ta-da! So here it is. It looks great. We're gonna save it, but be sure that it is in your entire video. So now we will check how it looks like on my videos. And you can see there it is on the bottom right side. So this is now gonna be in every single video of yours. So if you put it on your entire video, everybody can subscribe at any point during any of your videos. And it's added to every single video on your channel without you having to do anything else. So you see, if you click this, then it comes your name and subscribe. So this makes really easy for new viewers to subscribe. And if you click on watermark itself, it will just take you back to your channel. So if you just want a simple branding watermark, then that's perfect. But what I would like to show you is how to make your own branding watermark with Filmora 9. Coming soon!